Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 51 Wall Street, Unit 2. And this is a 3-bed, 1-bath apartment on the 2nd floor in Worcester. And this whole place was just completely redone. A lot of the finishes are going to be brand new or just refurbished to be in a really good shape. You got the electric baseboards coming in, and this is what it looks like when you first come in through the living room. So as you can see, there used to be a door there, but it's been completely walled off. So this would have been like one half of one of the parlor rooms, but that's going to be over there. But it's been fully converted into an entire room. But as you can see, there's lots of space in here, easily enough for to bring the flat screen and maybe a couple sectional couches. And here's what it looks like when you first walk in the apartment. So lots and lots of space on both sides. Really good vinyl flooring, and we'll come back to that. So first I want to take a look at this big bedroom. So it's the one on the right. Other ones are going to be on the left side of the house. Lots and lots of room in here. Obviously you got the closet. We'll take a look around. So there's the 4-burner gas stove as well as the fridge. Here's the hookup for the washer. Hookup for the dryer is going to be on the other side of those cabinets. So this is the bathroom. I like it. It's like not right directly sharing a wall with any of the rooms, but obviously it's just a couple steps away. So, and here's room number 2. And let's go check out the dryer hookup, which is right there. And this is room number 3. And yeah, that has been 51 Wall Street, Unit 2, 3-bed, 1-bath on the 2nd floor in Worcester. If you want to see all of our available apartments, please go to nexus, WOR.com. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.